Okie dokie. So there's the SKU number on this. It's up to a 20-inch bar Husky. Just by using a heat gun, I was able to make it fit even more better. I mean, it worked without it, but back here on the bar and here, so I just ran the heat gun for about 30 seconds or a minute, and that moved in, making it snug. And then back here, it made a little indent where this fits nicely. You got the Velcro strap, and you know, you're gonna be able to throw your charger in there, your oil. I'm gonna put some towel down on the bottom, a rag, to get your extra chain.